Okay, blog administrators. First and foremost, you have to type in the URL. You see room408.edublogs.org in order to get to our classroom blog. And I'm going to take you through step by step how to post your daily blogs to the website. If you'll notice, you can change the background by clicking on the squares here. But anyone who views the page can change the background to anything they like. I personally like many of them, including this one. Oh no, that's not the one I like. I like this one. And that's just for fun. Okay, that's just playing around. But how do you get logged in? Okay, right where it says login, it says register, and then it says log in. You will click on log in. You will then type in your username and your password and click login. That will bring you to something called the dashboard. And from the dashboard, you will write your post. So you will go over to where it says post and you will click on post. Once you have clicked on post, you will see that a drop-down menu comes up and you will click on add new. Double click. And then you will give your post a title. So, usually I like to make them interesting titles, but sometimes the title can just be the date. So we'll say, my first post. Okay. All right. And then here, you can start typing. Today in class, we learned a great deal about, okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay? This works just as Microsoft Word would. You can highlight words. You can put them in bold. You can center text. And if you click this button right here, it will bring another drop-down menu that will allow you to change the color of your font, change the size of your fonts. Okay, usually heading 1 doesn't work very well. It makes it too jumbled, but heading 2 works just well. You can actually copy and paste stuff that you wrote in Microsoft Word to your post, so that way you can spell check everything before you publish it. But the most important thing you need to do is you need to come down to where it says categories and click the category for your period. So let's say I'm clicking period 1, okay? Period 1. That means that this post will be posted in period 1. If you forget to click your period, then it's going to automatically post to the default category. So it means that all of your posts will appear under period 6 because period 6 is my default category. So please, please, please make sure you click your period so that your post will appear. Once you have typed in your post and you like it, there's also a way to add music and pictures, which we can't really do because we don't have a lot of space, so I prefer if it's just text. But you can also add links to your posts. Then you come to publish, and you click on publish, and now your post has been published. Okay, so in order to see your post, you go up to Visit Site in the upper left-hand corner and click on Visit Site. And then click on your period, period 1. That's where you should be able to find it, wherever you post it. And here it is. Today in class we learned a great deal about blah, 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 blah. No comments yet. Now you'll notice this button here, Edit. Okay? If you've published it and you don't like something about it, you can simply click on Edit. And that will take you back to the post so that you can make your changes. And then you go over here to Update Post and you update your changes. And then what do? Of course, you go to Visit Site again. and you click on period 1, and it has been edited. So it's very, very simple. And if you want to get back to the dashboard, you go to Site Admin. That's how you get back to the dashboard, so please pay attention. Go down here to Site Admin. That takes you back to the dashboard, which is where you can do all of your stuff. The only things that you should be touching is the post button. Everything else should be controlled by me. So here is a thing that says my first post. It was posted in period 1. I can even edit it from here. Okay, so I'm going to do another post. I'm going to add another post, but I'm going to pretend I'm the blog administrator for a different period. So I'm the blog administrator for period 4. So I'm going to click on period 4. Period 4 rocks. That'll be the title of my blog. And then I'm going to blog away. I'm going to use a bullet point. I am going to underline my text, bold, and let's see, put it in perforated form. Okay, now I'm going to publish it. I've already clicked on period 4, so I'm going to publish my post. And then I'm going to go to visit site. I'm going to click on period 4. And there it is. I don't really like it, so I'm going to go back to my dashboard by clicking on Site Admin. And then I'm going to click on Posts. And I'm going to click on period 4 rocks because I don't like it. I'm going to delete it all together. Yes, I am sure. And so then I could go back in and add a new post, follow the same process, but it's very, very simple and very basic. And every blog administrator will have a different password, and I'll know who posts what, and I'll be monitoring this. But I hope that you get an idea of how to use it. And once you have received your job, I will email you your username and password. I add this video so that you can get started blogging. All right, I hope this helps. Bye.